Hey folks, Mike with Chasing Trail. Just wanted to do a quick video today on some of the updates I've done since my build videos on the Tenere. I added this coolant catch tank. It's made by Motion Pro. I got the idea for this from XL Enduro Man on Adventure Rider forums. He was very helpful in showing how he had set this up. Cost, and I exchanged some PMs with him previously before I bought the beta because he has a 2022 390, so really appreciate his feedback. Everything fit up pretty nicely. It's in the location where the charcoal can sat previously, coming off the top of the radiator here. Install was pretty easy. I kept feeding the hoses back and forth to find the routing that I liked, and down here on the bottom I had to put one of these Oetiker ear style clamps on there, if the camera will focus on it. With the stock spring clamp, I came out the next day and the coolant was leaking, so it just wasn't strong enough, so I put that on there and it's been fine ever since. And on the Tenere, I got my Yoshimura headers installed. See those down there, no more cat. And the Twin Air, I just installed this just now, the Twin Air airbox lid and pre-filter, and I've sent my ECU off to Two Wheel Dynaworks. It's been flashed and should be back today, ready to install. So not sure when I'll have a chance to test this stuff out and ride again. It's going to be 107 degrees here today. I don't know if you can see my garage temperature. It's already 90 degrees in here. It's hot. So summer's kind of the off season for me. If we get a cool day here or there, I'll definitely get out and ride. But yeah, just a quick update on some additional mods. Thanks.